ISTE 2C deals with unit plans. My unit plan for plant biotechnology was genetic engineering, where students would research the historical development of plant biotechnology, where it derived from, and then go into genetic engineering, the pros and cons of it, the uses, and eventually their PBL would be how to extract DNA from certain fruits. So targeted content standards and benchmarks, of course, describe the methods of genetic engineering, medical advancements, and food product advancements. Evaluate the effects of how plant hormones affect human growth. You have your essential unit questions. The assessment timeline in terms of before project work, while students are working, and after the work is completed. So they will look at the benefits of the plant population, how it affects human growth. Is genetically modified foods, are they better for humans or not? The pros and cons. What types of foods that they've eaten that have been genetically modified, and if they knew that they were genetically modified. The assessment summary, which includes tests, oral presentations, experiments, and group projects. So the instructional procedures for the week are listed here. Accommodations in terms of special needs, ELL, gifted, talented students, technology or hardware that would be used, and how it could be integrated into the curriculum. Lastly, are the other resources, the course of printed materials, supplies that would be needed, internet resources, and other resources. You'll see Dr. Derek Dean. I'd had him come to speak to the class because he is a professor at Alabama State University who works with the biology department.